today I'm
Just a minute. Okay. And come forward a little.
Hi,
A
today
little bit more.
I'm
A little bit. Okay, good.
Today I'm gonna talk about the sickle cell disease and its treatments. About 100 years ago, the blood disease named SCD was discovered, and it was characterized by the particular shape that it looks like sickle or crescent shapes. So the disease is named that sickle cell diseases, and when the disease progresses, patients got pain and damage to the brain, liver, heart, lung, and other organs. And 40 years ago, the disease was discovered that it is an inherited disease that is passed from the parents to the children. And the disease occurs when both parents have sickling gene that is a mutation version of beta globin. Beta globin is one of the units that consists of hemoglobin, and it is very essential to deliver oxygen to all tissues in the body. So the normal shaped red blood cells are very flexible, so they can move freely through the large and small blood vessels, so it can deliver oxygen to all the tissues in the body. However, in sickle cell disease, the mutation gene of beta globin turns hemoglobin into stiff rods, so it changes the normal shaped red blood cells into sickle shaped red blood cells. The sickle shaped red blood cells are inflexible, so they stick to the blood vessel walls, and it causes the blockage that slows or stops the blood streaming in the vessels. So it prevents oxygen from reaching all the tissues in our body, and so patients got pain or organ damage. So in 1973, the life expectancy of SCD patients was only 14 years. However, there was lots of works and progresses that has been made so far. So now the patients of SCD in the US are expected to live 40 to 60 years. It thanks to the treatment, and it was discovered by scientists that it can be cured by stem cell transplantation, especially blood stem cells. So there is a patient's red bone marrow, and it produces sickle-shaped red blood cells instead of the normal disc-shaped red blood cells. However, when the bone marrow stem cells from healthy donor is transplanted into patient's body, it now produces normal disc-shaped red blood cells instead of sickle cells. So as time goes by, sickle cells are gone and the disease can be cured. Thank you for listening.
Okay.